Some people with no idea, pretty hard to tell them, well, the cost will be really high or something like ridiculous.
I understand that in terms of cost, right? Do you as an engineer you have to tell I don't know, the product designer the actual cost of the product, or is it someone else's job?
So as engineer, I think for engineer, like we could consult them on the cost. Also we tell them like through each prototyping we know how much roughly the cost will be to sourcing all the hardwares, and also have some ideas on the cost as well, like, to tell them.
Okay, cool. So does it take a long time to like initially, right? Because that's what every business person is like. When they go to a place, they will ask you how much does it cost. Does it take a long time to give them an estimate, or is it actually real quick?
I think it depends. Some people with no idea realize their ideas. It's pretty hard to tell them, well, the cost will be really high or something like ridiculous, because the idea is good, but to realize the thing may cost a lot. Sometimes if they have some ideas, it's pretty easy to just tell them, okay, that's how much meat costs. Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. So it sounds like people at different stage of the product development can also use TroubleMaker, and this relationship thing is like back and forth, right? So this is the whole way, right?